Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can change the SIM pin on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening settings, and in settings you want to scroll and select the option connections. Under connections, tap on SIM manager, then scroll to the bottom until you find more SIM settings. Tap on it. Then from here, select SIM card security. So you can choose between SIM 1 and SIM 2 if you have two SIM cards added onto your phone. So once you've selected your SIM card, you should see the option lock SIM card. Ensure that it's turned on. Once it's been enabled, you should see change SIM card pin. So tap on it and then enter in your current pin. Then once you've entered in your current pin, you'll now need to use or to create a new pin. So choose whatever it is you want to type in, and once you've entered in your new pin, tap on OK, then confirm it, and now your SIM pin has been changed successfully. So you can choose to do the exact same with SIM 2 if you want to add a SIM card pin and to change it if you prefer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.